Viewers, Brian Pergamian, Senior Trader, Co-Founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. That's right, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Sorry I couldn't get on this morning, but I had a lot of work to do here for our members, getting prepared for early morning trade. And again, if you're not making money, you heard our calls yesterday. We thought the stock market rally was false and abortive. We talked about G20. We talked about FASB heading into tomorrow. Look what happened this morning. The stock market opened lower. We right away got long HES. Hess Corp, we took $1.25 out of that trade. We were going to put it on as a swing trade, but we thought in front of the inventory numbers coming out here this morning, we thought let's go ahead, take a profit, get out of the trade. We banked $1.25 on that trade. So again, we talked about Freeport-McMoRan. Right now, Hess is still down 15 cents, but nonetheless, we took the profit there. Freeport-McMoRan, we talked about that. We thought the stock was getting ready in position to rally again. We talked about the lower opening. We got the lower opening. The stock market rallied along with Freeport-McMoRan rallying as well. But look, again, here's the whole key. If you're not getting yourself into these trades, you're not identifying these types of trades, I don't know why you don't go to our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. You're absolutely crazy not to. It is free. 3-day free trial free. Again, we have some of our members here joking today saying they never thought about trading HES this morning, and they went ahead and traded HES, and they now can become a member of our site until the year 2029 with their profit. So I don't know what that means they made exactly. That's another, they must have made a couple of $1,000s on the trade because our membership is $120 annually or $11 per month. So the bottom line is we're making money for our members with our trading ideas, swing trading ideas. We're talking about tactical analysis. We're talking about all kinds of fun things. Our members are absolutely loving it. I don't know why you wouldn't go to our site. Take the 3-day free trial. You got nothing to lose. The one thing I will talk about here, as I've talked about before here on YouTube, and all of you who watch us here know this, I am extremely bearish on gold. And I continue to remain very extremely bearish on gold. I think gold is a great investment from a bearish standpoint going forward. And maybe I'll touch on this here a little bit on our closing commentary tonight here on YouTube. Maybe I'll have that video a little longer. But I think what I'm going to tell you, you're going to find to make perfect sense. And I think gold is an absolute great short sale here. Maybe it's going to rally here at some point, throughout the springtime, maybe on G20, maybe the dollar's going to soften. But the bottom line is, I think even from these levels, even if we get a rally, which I'm not really anticipating any sort of real big rally here in gold, you can draw a weekly downtrend line, comes in at 950 on gold. So, I'd be surprised if gold got back above 950. Maybe it gets back above it on a print basis, but I don't think it's going to get back above 950 on a closing basis. Nonetheless, I've got nothing else to add here other than I look for the stock market to be very choppy here now because we had a big rally up off the bottom. I look for the stock market to probably pull back in here and, kind of be indecisive ahead of FASB. Who knows exactly really what they're going to come out with on this mark-to-market here tomorrow. It sounds like they're going to do some elimination of it, but who knows exactly how much. So, I don't want to get really caught up in any of this here in front of G20 as well. I'm going to stay flat at the market. I don't have really any other trading ideas here to share with you today other than STT. I would look quite potentially on a break above 32 for a short squeeze. There's a gap that comes in up at 35. But I don't have much else to add other than, if you're struggling with the stock market, go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial. I think you will really, really enjoy it. I don't know what you would be waiting for. Anyways, I don't have anything else to add. I will be back when the stock market closes with my closing commentary as always. And I appreciate those of you tuning in, and I certainly hope you appreciate me bringing these YouTube comments to you. Thanks. And one other thing that I always will mention to you here, and I try to if I remember, use stops on your day trading because stops take all the emotion out of trading. Have a great day. We'll be back at the close.